Okay, I'm Mohammad Arshil Ali. I'm from Mudigere. So I completed my BE mechanical. After that, I was exploring some options like to start an workshop or something. So I just explored about ECUs and how to repair them. I came across Bhadra in website like Google Maps. I had searched. Then I just called him and explored it. After that, I just came here, saw all the workshop and how they are teaching everything. I felt comfortable and I just joined. Sir is very friendly and he teaches very good. If you have any doubts, he'll clear at the time only. You can learn like from scratch. You can learn about issues and diagnosis, other stuff, whatever problems will come in vehicles. All the like basics vehicles come with the ECUs. So you need to scan in the device and get to know the problem. After that, you'll solve it. Like any electrical wiring issues or sensor issues, all you will learn from scratch here. Like don't keep the doubts with yourself. Like just if you don't know anything, you just ask sir. He will explain you. You don't have to worry about like what he'll think. I don't know anything about. I don't have background of vehicles like that. You should not think about it and just ask him.